Hey guys, so today I have a special guest with me, my friend. So we are going to be making fluffy slime. Ew, it's wet. Oh. This is a clean bowl. You're going to be needing a mixing tool, a bowl, a clean bowl, and some glue. I usually use like half of this, but I'm going to be using what's left, and then or I just use a full bottle of school glue, and I don't know how.
We're using
So yeah,
white glue, not clear glue.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
okay. But I can put clear glue because I might just use it all. So it's like there. Okay, then you'll be needing some hand fluffy.
This is optional.
Yeah, you don't need it, but you can put it like that. Okay, then you'll be needing some shaving cream. I use the one that is not like scented, but it still smells good. Okay,
And then
I'll be taking lotion. I just use skincare lotion.
Yeah.
You can get by from like the dollar store. Okay, then I have food coloring, glitter,
Sparkles and
optional. You can put in there. And so yeah, and then of course my activator will be borax, but I have to make that because I don't put it in a glue bottle. I have to wash them out for 24 hours if you wanted to know. Okay, first thing you're going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this right here.
and dumping it in.
Yes, and be dumping it into my bowl. This is the kind of bowl that I have. Let me put the lid on. Okay. It hopefully will come out for me. Oh, there we go.
And we're not gonna make like this much slime. We're gonna like not make it like little.
Hatchables. I don't know.
We're sorry about that.
I don't know.
Then are we using one of these? Of this?
Here, we're going to use a little bit of that glue because this is done.
I gotta take the back thing out.
There we go.
We didn't open this. There's a freaking black thing in it.
I know, I freaking hate those. I usually just pop it off. Okay, well that is empty, so I'm gonna throw it in the trash. Kidding. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Some of these glues have stupid
Black
tops
on
on
it.
them. So this is what the bowl looks like. We're just gonna go ahead and add that in.
All of it.
All of it. All of it. Okay, that should be enough.
Get all of it out.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're wondering why I'm not wearing my braces, because we're making slime, and I don't want to get like glue and stuff on it.
Go follow her on YouTube. Subscribe to her.
I leave it in the link below.
Yeah. Okay. Then we'll be taking the lotion.
I'll get shake up for you. Because
Yeah,
sometimes you
don't
gotta let everything.
Okay.
Alright, so let's wait on the fish.
Shall we doing it? Okay. Well, that's
We'll
going
put the lid on it.
Then I like to do my lotion.
We'll put it
And
on
you can
like,
put as much as you want. I'm gonna put like stop.
and then
That much.
I'm gonna give it like a little stir.
Yeah,
Just to mix it.
Okay, then I'll be taking my hand soap.
Oh,
Hand soap. I usually use this kind, but I'm going to be using this kind. It's just like apple, but I'm going to be using this one instead. Like maybe 5 pumps.
And this is what it. We'll just show you what the slime looks like when we're finished. So.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay, so
be the
this
mixer.
is what it looks like.
I'll be the mixer. Here, I'll just show you.
You're the camera person.
This is,
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's all bubbly and stuff. So, yeah. So
I'll be
this
the
is what
mixer
it-
like whenever I'm not showing, because she dumps everything in like to give it the
Okay.
weight.
Then I'll be taking my shaving cream. Doesn't matter how much, but shaving cream does grow, so don't really need to just put it. Okay,
And we can
now
always add more if we need.
yeah, you can just leave it, but I'm going to be mixing it, so I'm going to be putting some sparkles in it.
So we're not using food
Blue
coloring.
sparkles. We aren't.
We might.
We
Wait.
might.
What? Don't you want to add the food coloring before you add the sparkles?
No. Okay, you can put as much as you want.
Now I'm gonna mix those sparkles up.
Yeah, I'm going to be taking which color?
Blue. Since we're gonna mix it.
Okay, I'm going to be taking my blue food coloring. I don't have that much, so I'm just going to put like a little bit.
I'll show you
Okay.
guys what it looks like.
Okay.
This is what it looks like right here.
It's like a light blue.
So that's gonna be so
Pretty.
cool.
And while you're waiting on me to mix, and her foot's in the way, so, and we went a little bit overboard, and so I went over the side. Okay, I'll go ahead. You'll be mixing that over there, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. So let me go grab my bottle that I keep it in. And if you guys want me to do a sound collection video, well, I'll have to watch another round. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go grab my borax.
Guys, the mixing's doing very, very well.
What?
Looks like the mixing's doing good.
Okay, then I just keep it in this big, huge bag. Because it comes in a cardboard box, but... Okay, I'm going to be taking a cup. Hold on. I do it in like these little plastic cups. You'll be putting 1 teaspoon of the borax. So I got a teaspoon. I got a teaspoon. So you have to be very careful with this stuff. If you have sensitive skin, please do not put it on your hands. It is very dangerous.
Don't really put it on your hands anyways.
Yeah.
That way you don't have to worry.
And then you're going to be mixing it with hot water. I just like to put a little bit more. So,
I'll get the hot water.
Yeah.
Ready?
okay, while she's warming it up, we'll go ahead and grab the stuff. No, I just want Okay, while the hot water...
We'll be mixing it up here because it's easier. So I'll show you what it looks like.
She added a tiny bit more.
Just to get it. So this is what it looks like. So now the hot water is ready. So you can put the hot water in. So guys, I don't really good exact amount.
Okay, so, here, bring him over. Bring him over.
I'll just keep it right here.
Bring it over here, right here. Okay.
Oh.
You're going to be, after you put in, get a cup and your hot water, and you put your borax and the thing. You're going to put like a little bit at a time. Usually I don't do this because I'm making a video. So just wait until it dissolves. Wait until all of the crystals are gone from it. So,
And you don't want bubbles in your slime. So you just want to
this
see
is what it'll
So
look
you
like.
just want to
cloudy.
mix until it's time to. But if you have one person, it's fine. You just want to mix a lot of bubbles in your slime.
Okay. Now, since our hot water is not running, I'll go ahead and not add it in. Okay, so it should be ready. All the crystals are almost gone. Okay. I'm putting little bits at a time in. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the cup, set the spoon on something, and just pour it in.
It's turn.
Wow, it's turning into slime. Get it in, it's turning into slime. So, you might want to hold the bowl.
You don't want to use the spoon all the time, because if you use the spoon all the time, you're not really getting everything. I'm just using the spoon for this a little bit because the slime is really sticky.
Did I make it?
And it's going to be really hard. Like,
So you want a person
use
to hold.
muscles and have a person holding it while you're mixing it instead of you just holding it, or just like put it in a flat surface where it won't move around. Okay. I'm going to go in with my hands now because more activator. Because like I said, you can't use a spoon all the time. That's just getting all the fun taken out of it. It might be a little weird at first, but it will fix it.
I add a lot in at a time so it will soak it up.
But you don't want to add, like, in the first time, you don't want to add all of it. You want to wait.
So, how's the results?
It's actually
Pretty good.
I think this is really good slime.
And can you see
We
there
have
is
water.
leftovers? So if it's still sticky, you can dry your surface off.
It might be a
Very
little
good.
hard for like a few times, but once you start playing with it,
Oh, it'll turn so soft. Since we can go ahead and add more lotion in.
because we want it to be stretchy, not non. Wait, let me move you guys up here so you guys can see. I'm gonna put it like right there.
And
So now the lotion's in. I'm just gonna like mix it in. Guys, if this is a fail, it probably won't be since we've already got the slime made. This seems like it's not like it's not pokeable really, but it's really stretchy. It's just not pokeable. You can poke it.
what?
Guys, this is our video, so bye.
Bye.
Make sure you subscribe.
Give